I just ate lunch and I came out on my back porch. Maybe it was dinner. Go on my back porch, and this is my back porch. So this is about an estimate of how much snow we've gotten. Looks like 7 inches or something. That's a lot of snow though. It's about as tall as a water bottle. So however tall a water bottle is. This is so deep. Oh crap. I put my waders on. It just got so deep. Ooh, waders are not insulating like my other booth. Crap, this is so deep. So deep. This is super deep. It's hard to walk. It's like I pick my leg up as high as I can go. It's still like look at that. Look at my driveway. Oh man. This is a lot of snow. This is insane. I cannot believe I'm in Florida having this much snow. Oh, pretty deep. Roofs are definitely all white. Oh, my feet are so cold in this. These wader boots are not insulated like my other ones. Ooh. This is so deep. This is on my driveway still. And then I'm gonna basically, oh! I thought he was right here. I fell off my driveway. I've never seen so much snow. Like, this is a lot of snow. Like, this is a lot of snow. It's as tall as my boot. This one is as tall as my other one. Oh. The only bad thing is I can't see anything. Like a road of grass. I'm about to tell everybody. It is so deep in our backyard.